I am looking for the eyes of the gods. Eyes of the gods, where are you? I want you to give me a medicine to make me steal from someone, and that person should willingly give me that thing.
Your fee is only 10,000. Take this remote. Press the red button. The person will become an idiot when you steal from him.
I hope it works. Thank you.
Hey!
Hey, password.
The password is my girlfriend's name, Jojo. Starts with capital letter J. My phone.
It works like a magic.
I never fail.
I want you to increase the power of the remote that I can even steal from the White House of United States of America.
Give the remote. Here, it is now very powerful.
Thank you.
My laptop.